Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have another package to open. I already opened it because I obviously needed to know what it was and if it was mine. Like it could have been like one of my parents. So I opened it first, made sure it was the slime, and then I came to this video. And yeah. So if you haven't noticed since last time, I got my hair dyed a little different. I'll show an image right here of the back hair view. So I'm excited to show that because I love it. It's blonde now. It's blonde, so yeah. Okay, so I had a total like LOL moment when I was editing right now, because I edit it between like video sections and stuff. So you can't really see that my hair is blonde. Like you can, like it's hard because the lighting's so bad. But maybe you can see there. But it was like I just had like a total LOL moment. Like I was laughing so hard because you can't even notice anything. Like you can't even notice my hair is different. Like that looks like I pulled up an image from online of cool hair and just like put it on my video. But guys, it's not fake hair. It's actually my hair. I have a funny video of me doing something and I'll show you it right here. It's a little bit weird. So, but let's get on to the video because we honestly need to start the video because we're running out of time. So this time she left me another note, so yeah. Something was leaking in the bag. I can tell already, it's like wet here. Okay, dear buyer, sorry I got off track and Toads forgot to make the slime, so it is a little late. If there is any leakage in the bag, I'm very sorry. I forgot to wrap something, and I was in a rush to send it out. So, I didn't name this slime like any typical one, like an ocean breeze slime, or maybe a party package slime. I did not name this one. It's just random. So I guess I will just call this slime random. Okay. Something was definitely leaking in here though. Here's a lot. And then I don't know what this is. It's dark. It looks like she like colored it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is. It smells good. It's like a lotion, maybe? I think it's lotion. So maybe like, because I know people online say that lotion, when you put it in your slime, like you can use smelly lotion and it won't ruin your slime if you use it in there. So I guess I'll just throw that in. Okay. One thing I do notice though is that there's like, you know, in the party package slime, she added these things again. I don't have that party package slime anymore because I threw it away because it got a little bad. So I guess I'm going to put this in the slime. I think it's colored to make it darker. So maybe it's lotion that smells good, but I can make it darker with it. I guess like if I want to change like the color to a little bit darker, because you got to choose the color you wanted on Esty. Oh yeah, and when I was watching my other video, when I said you could get it on Amazon, like that means like I wasn't talking about Esty. I was talking about like you can just get slime on Amazon. Like you can't get Esty on Amazon. Just so you know. Although it does sound that way. Okay. I don't think this is doing anything. And it looks like a makeup container. This is a makeup container from Ulta. I don't know, this is bad advertisement. Or not advertisement, like, it is bad advertisement because, like, I mean, why are you using an Ulta container? She obviously took, like, the eyeshadow or what was ever in there, the blush or whatever, I don't know, skin color. She obviously took that out and put, like, I don't know, like, lotion or something in it. Okay, so. But it does make it smell good, and it's fun to play with. I've been dreaming for this moment. Like, last time I couldn't do this because there was so little slime, but now I can do it. Ready? I love that sound. Whoa, it's so great. That's slime what it would be like. Yeah, so it smells like Febreze, kind of. I don't know what this is. It's probably lotion with coloring. It smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. Like, just smell it. Trying to get all this stuff in there. But I'm not happy with, like, I'm happy with the slime, but like this advertisement